use of cell phones is absolutely not allowed while the ride is in motion. And please remain seated for the entire duration of your ride. Thank you, and enjoy your Scrambler.
Ride on the Pacific Scrambler is slowly coming to an end. When the ride comes to a complete stop, please watch your step and exit carefully from your cars. Thank you for riding the Pacific Scrambler, and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Welcome back, riders. Please remain seated until your ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once it has come to a complete stop,